Like to dedicate this song to all the oppressed people, the downtrodden people, the poor people of Malawi. One thing I'd like to say, tough times do not last, but tough people do last. How hard it might be, how difficult it might be, we will survive and we'll sing one day, free at last, free at last. Thank God Almighty, we are free at last. Mananga chone senzina, andimanga unyolo kumanja, andiponya kubode wa kusomba inika wauze mai wako, kutidadi ya mangira, yakula kwila chiani, ukolanga loko ndeka, dinakometela mbili yako iwele lundi weze, unyolo kotingenge, uzasowa wantu, uzafuna wantu, zikola pasi, lozungulilo, lozunguli, sindi wapa munchu, osuza tupi, nisi wambuye, hazangianga, hazangianga. Mwana wanga chone mvetsetsa, mwana wanga oyamba ndiwe, isila zose manya mwako iwe, usamale mai wako, usamale mbale wako, choti utiwe mwananga, antufe masiku awi, siku lopata ndila kufa iwe, tono usa ope mutu, kwilise chilunga, chore, 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 mwana wanga iwe, mama, oh.